Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets A to Z. Its colors name: red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. And again use red color. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. And use green color. The alphabets of E. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for grapes. And again use green color. Kids, now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, again use yellow color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use black color. The alphabets of O. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now draw S. S for sun, S for snake. And use yellow ochre color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. And use red color. W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids, now it was Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, today you draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.